Okay, so to do our back post double crochet, we're going to yarn over like a regular double crochet, and we're going to come from behind, from the back, and we're going to go around the front of our post. So we're going to go out, over, and then back to the back, yarn over, and we're going to pull it all the way through and up so we can finish off our double crochet. So we yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through the second two. So now it's back because it's pulling it to the back of our work. Do a regular crochet in our next stitch, and then we'll do another back post. So again, we yarn over, we look for the post that's next, right below our next stitch. We come in from behind, from the back, go around the post, and then back out, yarn over, pull back through. Be careful you don't lose your stitch, pull it up, and then work it off like a regular double crochet. So it's a back post because we're bringing our post to the back of our work. So here's a normal speed of the stitch. Just the hardest part is bringing it through that post so you don't lose your loop as you do it. So remember, just yarn over like a regular double crochet, come in from the back, go around, pull it through, pull it up, and then work off as a double crochet. So that's the super fast stitch refresher for back post double crochet. If you need a slower, more in-depth tutorial, go and check out my video for that, and thank you for watching.